What's up, y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's only been 3 years since I've been needing to do this. If you don't know who I am, my name is Veronica. I started my van life journey in 2020. I've been living in my van for 3.5 years after I built it out by myself with the help of my daughter and a couple people along the way. And this channel is for anybody who's interested in van life, whether it be permanently, temporarily, or just to try it out to gain knowledge. If you're DIY building your van, this is definitely the channel for you. And just information regarding van life that you may or may not think about when you are jumping into this lifestyle. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, welcome. Please subscribe. And I look forward to putting out content for you guys that will add value to your day. Till next time.